do two proportion from independent samples. The problem that we're using is in the book is page 480, problem 21, and it says in October 1947, the Gallup organization served 1,100 adult Americans and asked, "Are you a total abstainer from or do you on occasion consume alcoholic beverages?" Out of the 1,100 adults served, 407 indicated that they were abstainers. And this is where you get your N1, which is the total of people served, and you mean is the people of your X1, which is you mean is the amount of people who are total abstainers. You keep reading, and the same survey was done in 2010, and this time using the same amount of people, which is UN2, only 333 indicated that they were total abstainers. And this is where you get UX2 equals to 333. And it asks, has the proportion of adult Americans who totally abstain from alcohol changed? So using your hypothesis test, you're looking for proportion. That's where you use your P1 equals to P2. And since you're looking for a change, you're using P1 not equal to P2 because you're looking for a two-tailed test. And it tells you to use the level of significance of 0.5. Using 0.5 as your level of significance, and when you're looking for a two-tailed test, you use your level of significance and divide it by 2, which is going to be 0.025, and that's going to be the measure of your graph and your two-tailed test. With that being said, today we're going to use the classical approach to solve this problem, and you're going to use 2PROPS test to solve it. You find your C, which is going to be 3.33, and finding that, you're going to find your critical value using inverse norm. We're going to find the critical value of the right tail. That's why you do inverse norm 1 minus 0.025, which is going to be positive 1.96. And assuming that this is equal to this tail test, because they have the same measurements, this is going to be negative 1.96. And now, because the test statistic is greater than your critical value, you say that you reject the note. Therefore, there is sufficient evidence to conclude the proportion of adult Americans that totally abstain from alcohol has changed from 1947 to 2010.